Hey, coffee lovers, imagine a brew that transforms your day and your life. Hi, everyone, I'm Sarah, and I want to share a personal story with you today. A few months ago, I was struggling with my weight and my self-esteem. I was constantly tired and unhappy with how I looked. Then, my best friend introduced me to something that changed my life. This cup of coffee may look like any other cup, but for me, it's my daily ritual that has brought so much positivity and happiness into my life. Every morning I take a few minutes to enjoy this special coffee, recommended by my best friend. I can't even begin to describe the difference it has made. I have so much more energy and I feel more confident and happier in my own skin. And the best part is, I get to share this ritual with my best friend. It has brought us closer together and we both feel amazing. Find your daily ritual with our special coffee blend. Experience the positive changes in your life like I did. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thank you for listening to my story. Try our coffee today and start your journey towards a happier and healthier you.